We all been there, by some reason or the other, because you want to, because you have to, because your boss tells you to, whatever the case may be. You want to progress in your career. You're going to get you get to get a raise. It doesn't really matter. We all been there, and we need to get certified. And this video is all about the RHCSA, the Red Hat Certified System Administrator, and that's all about the EX200 exam. We all been there, and this is about the EX200 Exam Prep and the Red Hat Certified System Administration objective that you may have traced for you or someone gave it to you. This is all about that. So whatever the case may be, whatever the motivation it is, you need that little bit of warmth. You need to get prepared, but you also need that human interaction. But you also need your own pacing. That's important. You want to pace yourself. You want to get it inside with your own rhythm. You want to do things your own rhythm. You want to stop to have a break. You want to continue when you want at 2 a.m. You're feeling that urge at 4 a.m. and you want to continue on your work and your preparation. So you don't really want the classical classroom. You need to go there at 9, leave at 5, and that's about it. You want to keep coming back for more. You want to, like I said, pace yourself and do things at your own rhythm, but you also want that sense of community, people to talk to, people to ask questions, to swap ideas, and have also a quote-unquote instructor so you can ask questions and interact with. But again, you want to make this at your own rhythm, at your own pace. That's why I created this channel, for many other reasons, of course, but it's one of them. So I highly recommend you follow along these lines. This is the guide for getting certified for free. Of course, I cannot pay yourself the exam itself, sadly. Maybe in the future I get some sort of partnership for that, but for now I cannot. But I can give you 99.9 ready just to sit down and do the exam and just feel right at home. So what are the correct steps for this? First, watch my first video series all about the RH124. So this is the training course for beginners. Okay, you know, little or nothing. Of course, a little bit of experience always helps. It always gives you that a little bit of edge to get things going. But again, this method, you can watch the videos time and time again, as many times that you want. Watch once, watch twice, watch thrice. It's all about your own rhythm. So the RH124 training is going to get your basics and your bases ready so you can feel right comfortable and much more at ease with the Red Hat operating system, Red Hat Enterprise operating system, that is. And a good bonus also is that not only you'll get comfortable with the RH124 and Red Hat systems, but it pretty much also covers many Linuxes. So what you learn there, it's focused on RH, on our Red Hat systems, of course, but it will also give you an excellent basis for any Linux you would use in the future. You'll learn to use any Linux at all. That knowledge can be applied to any Linux you use in the future, so you can recycle that knowledge time and time again. So the RH124, that it's I'm going to edit this after, so I don't know where I'm going to put somewhere on the screen some thumbnails, and of course check the description below. In the description below, I'm going to put all the steps you need to follow along just to get certified for free. Except the exam itself, you have to pay a Red Hat for that. But the full free preparation, just click on the videos, enjoy them, and while you are there, it doesn't hurt to click the like, click the subscribe, click the hype. It's all free to you. It helps me a lot. You cannot imagine how far a like can get my channel going. A simple like, a simple share, a simple comment, it can get really far. It's free to you guys, helps me a lot, and keeps me going because people need to make ends meet, of course. It keeps me going to make more and more videos. I'm getting closer to 600 free videos on my channel, so it really helps. But let's get back to the subject. So the RH124 is your first stepping stone, so you can get right from the basics, and you can get really comfortable with this type of systems. Once again, check the description for all the list, for the full list of what your progress should be using my free resources. After that, the RH134. It's a little bit more advanced, where we consider that you are ready to go to the big leagues and actually pick a system and start making it click and tick and make good things all about it. Anything from creating partitions, containers, troubleshooting, SL, Linux, and all that good stuff. Those 2 training courses that you can take at your own pace. You can watch the videos time and time again. I have the videos, all the chapters in single isolated videos or one big video with all the content. Just take your pick the chapter, use the big video, use the smaller ones. You are in control of your own pacing. Ask questions in the comments and interact with everybody. We have been building slowly but surely a very healthy and very helpful community all around us, and that's exactly what I wanted, and that's exactly what we're going to keep and improving on that. Keep it clean and help one another exactly like you have been doing. So RH124, RH134, and you should get the basis going, and you should have everything ready to get to the actual exam prep. Then you will watch this video completely free. It has tons of comments. Make sure you read all the comments. Make sure you read the description, and also make sure you watch the full playlist. Again, I'm going to put everything down below. So this is the main video, but read the comments, read the description, and watch the full playlist, because that video I have been improving and building upon that. When people say, I had this question, it was new to me, can you please assist? And I'll create new content all about that. Check the main video, check the comments, check the description, and check the playlist, okay? The playlist is going to contain much more than that main video. That main video, of course, is the main thing, but check the descriptions, check the comments, and also watch the full playlist. You have hundreds of hours of free content for you to prep. Please like, please hype, comment, ask questions. If you have some things that you tried to do and you were unable to because of some blockage or something that you got confused, please let us know. Everybody is willing to help. These are hundreds, if not thousands, of training hours completely free to you to enjoy. I'm just asking for a like, a sub, a hype, and a comment. It gets us a long way. Tons of content completely free. I'm just asking you to click, and it's free to you. A like, a hype, you get the idea. Now, if you want to go to the extra mile, you can become a member, all right? And if you become a member, you'll have access to this video, or these 2 videos, or the playlist. That is, you're going to see me doing the exam in real time with chat. I did the live stream. I did all the exam questions live. So it was not recorded. I just did while chatting with chat on live stream, and I did all the exam. So I did from start to finish the exam and with the live chat, and so people were able to watch me do it and ask questions and interact with me live. I may do it again if it has demand and people ask for it. But if you become a member, you can watch that playlist, and you're going to watch me live, do the exam, and you can watch me live, do the exam, and you can see how it feels to do the exam, all the questions. And of course, I was not perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm not aiming to be perfect. And I had doubts. I made mistakes, and I had to, not research on the internet, of course, because in the exam we don't have access to the internet. But I tried to use my best knowledge and my best resources, so I could show you how to troubleshoot and how to sort things while you are at the exam. So if you become a member, it helps me out, and you get that extra resource to get the extra juice of seeing someone live do the exam with the chat interaction, of course, but doing the exam live so you can see how it feels to do exam. I have done the exam many times in many scenarios, so it was very relaxed for me. But for you, if you see someone do the exam, you will see how the experience may be and how to deal with problems, troubleshooting, and deal with unexpected situations. And an extra resource you can use is that I'm going to put again, I'm sorry, the links in the description below. I'm going to put links to my Gumroad page, my Gumroad store. It has a ton of resources. I'm going to put there the main page, the main store, but I'm going to kind of have a few highlights, a few recommendations of content you may get from there, which is 3 pre-built VMs. So if you are not comfortable building a test, so you are watching the 124 or 134, and you want to keep doing things with me. You want to do the same things I'm doing on all the work, all the exercises I do for you guys to watch, and you want to see me do it and do it yourself. 3 pre-built VMs, fresh VMs. They are Red Hat 10 based, or based on the 10th version of RHEL, and you can just install them and you can do the exact same things I'm doing. I have the 3 classic VMs, the classroom VM and the 2 workstations, server A and server B, and you can actually tag along and do exactly what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So if you're not comfortable yet to build your own VMs or your physical machines, but these are 3 VMs, if you are not comfortable, just go get that product, and you can get everything up and running really quickly, really fast. They are yours. Abuse them. And if anything goes wrong and you destroy them for some reason, which is a good sign, if you destroy the VMs while doing the exercises, it's a good sign. It means that you are actually experimenting and going crazy. That's exactly what I expect from you, to experiment and just go nuts. And if things get damaged, you just need to get them back and rebuild them. They are yours. Use and abuse them. I also have a fresh new product. Oh yes, before that, and of course, those 3 VMs, you just make them fresh. You can watch my search videos and my search members only videos, and you can use them to tag along and do the exact exercise as I do in those members only videos. The free ones too, but if you become a member, you can watch my members only video where you can watch me do the exam live. And you can just tag along, pause, unpause, rewind, all of that with fresh VMs, the exact same VMs I used for that members only video and also for my certification videos. Another resource I also got you guys that's available on Gumroad. I will put the link down below again. It's a set of the same 3 VMs. Well, they're not exactly the same, but they are very similar. 3 VMs with all the exercises done. So I have 3 fresh VMs where I did nothing. They are just ready to start and do the RH124 and or the RH134 videos, prep videos, the main certification video and the members only video. You can just tag along and do the exact same things I do there. And I also have a new product that it's the VMs with all tasks done. Okay, the all tasks done VMs are the aftermath of me and a student getting prepped for the exam. So this student, I was getting him prepped. We did the simulation. He did everything perfect. It was awesome. And I thought, wow, why don't I keep instead of destroying the VMs, why don't I keep these 3 VMs after you've done the exam? And I just get to people so they can pick what we did. We worked together on that, of course. He had some questions, I helped them out, and he did all the things. So why not share this with everybody else? That sounds awesome, right? Since I shared 3 fresh VMs, why not share the aftermath? That was the idea that I got. I asked, what do you think of, if you were a candidate, would you love to see what we've done here? He said, yes, it will be an awesome resource. So I could see how we, in this case, it was me and him, how we just sort things out, how to make things work, how did you troubleshoot. So you kept all the configuration files, all the text files of all three VMs, the main workstation VM or classroom, server A and server B, and you can see all the things we did, all the common histories of all three computers. You can just pick and just you can use all those three VMs for anything you want. Of course, they're just VMs. You can do anything with them, but you can pick all the config files, all the command history, and everything you need. You can just browse around and do whatever you want with them, and you can pick how a real EX200 exam will be executed. And of course, he passed, but that's to be expected from one of my students. Okay? Since you are in Gumroad, you can also get a bundle. I have several bundles that will save you money. We have bundles with the fresh VMs. We have bundles with the fresh VMs and the all tasks done VMs. And I have bundles with the fresh, all tasks done, and also with some added help, some visual memories, some notes. Go and browse the Gumroad. Lots of good stuff there that you will enjoy and get you nice and ready for your exam. Of course, you can just keep with the free stuff. It's fine. It's your choice. I'm not pushing anything to you. I'm just putting this out there, the available resources I have for you or to you, for you to use. If you want to keep with the free stuff, the RH124, RH134, the exam prep stuff, you don't want to become a member, it's all fine. I'll just ask you if you're using all the free stuff, just click that like, click that sub, do a comment. It can be something as simple as, I enjoyed this, I did not enjoy this, I have a question, how did you do that? Did everybody had an experience with X situation in the exam? If you're using the free stuff, I love you for it. It's completely fine. But if you do, using the free stuff or any other stuff, just click that like. It really helps the channel. A single like helps a ton. To wrap this up, this is going to be almost 20 minutes talking head video. I had to put this out there because I love you guys. I love you guys so much. You don't even imagine. Every single like, every single comment, it's very, very, very nice. It makes me feel so much fuzzy. You guys don't imagine. You guys don't imagine how fuzzy I feel every time I get a comment and I immediately reply. I'm on my cell phone. I see a comment. I have to reply to this guy. Dude, it's awesome. I love you guys for that. If you're using the free stuff, it's completely fine. Okay? Enjoy, have fun, but please interact. Click that like, click that sub. At the time of this video being recorded, I'm getting closer and closer to 2K subs. It's so nice to feel that support. If you are here for me, I'm here for you, and we are here for the long haul. Completely, if I can, until I'm 100 years old and doing YouTube videos at 10K resolution, I will. I'm here for the long haul. Just one last thing before I go. If you are on Gumroad, read all the product descriptions. Make sure you know what you're getting, okay? Read all the product descriptions. I'm very open with the descriptions. Read it all before you make your decision. And I hope you enjoy the content and you feel supported by the free stuff and my Gumroad stuff too. Signing out, like, subscribe, hype, and comment. One last time this video, it helps a ton. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. Ozai Bits out. I'll see you in the next one. And since we are in December, happy celebrities, whatever the way you celebrate this season. Or if you don't, have a nice month, a nice week, a nice day, a nice evening. I love you all. Let's help each other out, and I'll see you in the next one.